International Female Ride Day. Check out all the bikes. Yeah. Ooh, they're nice and tight right there. No bike over there. Ooh, bikes right here. Check them out, check them out. A bike and a cut right here. Got the trike. How do I get over there? I feel like I'm walking the long way. I rode today on International Female Ride Day. Gotta represent. Now I'm at the event I am attending. Let's get in here. Hosted by Peterson, Harley Davidson, South. I smell food, it smells really good. It's hot outside today, per usual. We're at Dorrell Yard. Dorrell, however you say it, right here. This is where we at. Hello, where's the Peterson crew?
They're all inside.
Oh, so it's inside. Okay, right there. Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Oh, nice. A bandana? Cool, thank you.
And then if you go into the store today, you get $25 off.
Okay.
Women's apparel with this discount.
I like your jumpsuit. That's cute.
Nice.
Did you get that at the Harley store?
Yeah. They just came in, but I think we
Yeah, okay.
I'm not sure.
Nice.
Yeah, there's
Thank you. Another one. I love your towels.
here and some inside.
Okay. Come through here. There we go. Hey, Miss Pam. We got dumplings. Always wanted to try. How you doing? Look at those. Let's see what they got.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, good. How are you doing?
How can I help you?
Just looking, seeing what y'all have.
Okay, any question, let me know.
Thank you. It's a little healthy over here.
Yeah, this is all 100% vegan fruit.
Okay.
Gluten-free.
House of Man. Polo. I think I'm gonna just get some dumplings. Hi.
It's like they tell you, they put it in the middle of
Okay, I'm ready. Yes, my girl. Fred always making all that noise. Oh. Yes, ma'am.
just prisoners here of our own device. When the masses chamber gathered for the feast, stab you in your skin eyes when you just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running out the door.
Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. I am having a beautiful day on this International Women's Day. Just got me some new gear. Look at my new ring, bling bling, new bracelet. Okay, just enjoying myself, treating myself a little bit because it's hot. You gotta cool yourself down. All right, this is my first time at Peterson, South Harley-Davidson. So let's go in and check it out. AC. My 2 favorite letters. Look at little baby. You got a mullet. That is super. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Hey guys. What they got in here? Whew. No, it's a big store. Let's see what I can get my mom for Mother's Day. Here I go. Ooh. HondaHarleyGurl. Mayday Ride 2022. Look at my bandana. I'm loving it. Let's continue our journey around the store. Subscribe to HondaHarleyGurl. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. Just to get my mama's shirt and call it a day. Oops. The service department. All right, where the shirts at? Like, not those type of shirts, cause that's just too plain Jane. That's it? No. That's the guy. I got that right there. Got the fitting one. Yeah. Okay, where we go get mama? Let's see. Number 6 is nice. Number 10 is kind of nice. Made in Haiti. Okay, shout out to Haiti. This shirt was made in Haiti. Let me get my mom this shirt. The front, the back. Boom. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah. Out here with heavy breathers. You need money, ain't it? Say that again. You see how heavy breathers at? What y'all think? Boom. 3 or 5 all day. And it's on clearance. And I get 25% off because it's International Women's Ride Day, Female Ride Day, whatever. As long as you got no female parts, it's your day. Okay, okay.
He was a kid.
So much other stuff. You be video.
Yeah, it's Tina, HSG, Jamie.
24, 825, 820, 821, 817.
Oh, okay. I thought I saw like a bar or something.
I don't know.
Okay.
No, I thought you were seating outside.
Okay. This is what I want. I want a nice, juicy mango. Oh, this smells so good. Okay. That one looks good.
I was just telling someone like you're 10, right? It's all
What did he say when you asked him, are you Robert?
He is Robert.
Oh, he
and he
is.
was selling tomatoes on the corner when he was 6.
Oh,
Look
wow.
inside. Robert is here.
Do your thing.
Okay.
Mine is long. I'm gonna go look around. Real quick.
It goes fast.
Okay. Ooh, watermelon. I'm gonna leave my mango right here so it can get cold. Oh, I love it.
822, 826,
Oh wow, nice. I think I want some of that. $25.
822.
It's on the Harley dealership.
Okay. I think I want this. This looks really nice.
Check the sugar snaps. They don't have any.
Oh wow, I like it.
828.
Oh, I thought somebody was checking you already. They already know, right? What's together?
828.
Bahama banana bread.
Mmm.
I don't know what this is. Bahama banana bread.
This one look a little different. What's that one? Oh, mango.
Mango.
Bread. Oh, okay.
Okay. How much that
Honey
is?
saucers. Let's see. $14.95.
Hey, that must be.
I cannot. Yeah, honey always be so high. Honey is always high for some
That's
reason.
what my granddaughter told me. I went up on it. No, went up on it.
This barbecue sauce.
I think the chicken one over there is selling 8 something.
Sausage.
This for the tourists.
Okay, this is what this for. I'm on here acting like one. Got a basket. So jam. I wonder what that tastes like. Tangerine, orange,
Oh,
elderberry.
that's jelly.
Nice.
That must be, this must be.
Ooh. Sugar free. I like it sugar free. Oh, apple butter. I bet that tastes good.
Wow, really?
Oh, do they have mushrooms?
Bad for me because I had this plan 6 months ago. $32 an hour.
Look, you're on the map. Yeah, Heather committed.
Walking in at Walmart.
We're at Robert's. Robert is here. It's a market. Coconut.
Okay, yeah, plus if you take turns out your cardigan, that's I'll come back.
$2
Okay. I just wanted to capture that. I don't want to. Oh, look at his head. It looks funny. You need your hair done, ostrich.
That's the little boy.
You know what? I'm gonna sit over there.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Let's just do another one.
Oh, wow.
Whatever, I'm gonna
Look at the camilla.
You think eye contact?
Hey, friend. Oh, we got turtles. Wow. Ostrich. Oh, even a turtle trying to get some.
Una bebé.
Mira, ahí viene la vaca Lola.
¡La Carola! ¡Carola! ¡La Carola! Ay, ma, que cambió a decir algo.
Mira, vamos a dar con ahí arriba.
Ma, ¿dónde voy? Ma, me lo pone. ¿Qué? Ma, el Pacolola. Ma, ven con Pacolola. Ma,
She's
vámonos.
gonna.
Vámonos, Pacolola. Ma, it's una.
Hey, little man. I don't have anything for you. There you go. Good job. Oh, he didn't bite it.
Pacolola.
Awesome. Bien. Ooh. Gracias.
Mamá, para la Pacolola. Madre, mamá, la Pacolola.
Vamos a dar la vaca Lola.
Sí.
Very good.
Allá, Pacolola.
Smoked turtle.
En la vaca.
In the general direction.
Wow. Look at the jackfruit tree. Woo! That's scary. That's wow. He would have been. I could have handled him.
I was involved, but not involved. Like, so there's this part that goes through, like,
I was thinking about. These are
Must be
made
Chanel.
to-
What, like cutting board?
Yeah, like you can
Okay.
serve meat on it.
so who's
I
taking
have
the
them.
picture?
I did. Oh,